I'm good for that.
Oh, my son's securing number. Bucket race, bucket race. Oh, ready to come out? Woohoo! Good job.
Somebody just whacked me. Somebody gives you.
You know, let him put something up close to his mouth in there.
Hello?
What happened?
Hello?
Humming.
Hello?
Way to go there, Ralphie boy.
You guys lined up yet? Come on.
Yeah, we're good.
We got time for this.
You good?
Drivers ready? That's so. Jeremy out front, followed by Russ, Brian, then Ty. And, hi.
Hi, Jen.
Okay, but
How
left.
are you? How's that? Huh?
Jeremy, you're on a 43 lap,
Hey,
or
now.
3-second lap, babe.
Is that my dad?
Followed by Ross with a 45 second, then Brian 49,
How's it going?
Thomas 49.6. Or Thomas. Oh, yours too. Jeremy Fox getting all sorts of wrong.
Are you okay?
Trying to say you had the nickname. You're sick.
I don't know. I haven't been to the hospital. I'm gonna come out and get mine.
Then when I'm done, I want a full hug.
Okay.
Okay.
Hurry up.
Okay.
Wow.
No time!
Russ, you're out on 11 lap pace.
Hi, Jay.
Followed by Jeremy with 10.
Left.
And Tommy's out there with us on that.
Open house
Followed by
tonight.
Brian and Isaac.
We must have
Oh,
crossed the
yeah.
minute mark.
I'm good.
So you take Tommy off?
No.
Yes, I do. Do it.
Russell with a 45.2.
Come on, buddy!
Get over
There you go. That's
Tommy,
good.
Tommy. Brian the hack. Still got it. Russ is your leader, followed by Jeremy Fox, Tom Musson, Brian Davin, and then I.
Oh, darn it! Back up there.
Now you got work to do.
Russ with a 44.8 lap height.
Thomas got his wheels out of it.
Oh, Marshall!
Cheers back to his old antics from Twisted.
Oh!
Oh, he actually didn't see me there, so. I love that spot for some reason. That gets me every time. I think I was racing though. Nope. Nope, because when you get through there, it's bad.
You are at the halfway mark of this race. With Russ as your leader, followed by Jeremy, then Thomas, then Davin, and Isaac.
Okay, way out there.
As fast as you'll go.
Whoa, look at that.
3 minutes
Come on,
left.
Dr.
Oh, a little hacking going on over here.
Hey, now.
Whoa.
Oh, Tommy got taken by Brian Davis.
Look at that. They got no time.
They got no time.
Russ Stratton, still your leader. 7 laps.
See ya.
You want me to distract him?
Yes, please.
Not gonna help me. I'm gonna do this direct.
He likes it when you flick his nipples.
He would know.
He only likes that from you, Jay.
Come on, Tom. You just got Chuck. Come on. Do it. Do it.
Julie did it.
Like Brian Davis waiting for Tommy.
I ain't waiting for nobody.
Right, left. Waiting for
Thank you. Good night. Thank you.
Russ Stratton out front, still your leader, running this race with 8 laps. Followed by Mr. Foss, Brian Davin, and Tommy.
No, so where's the mistake? Give me one.
I want Tommy and Time War.
Pull over and watch him then. I'm broke. I'm broke. Tommy broke me. Am I or no?
Come on. Let's use it. Come on. Put it together.
1 minute left, girls. Left.
Beautiful.
Brian Evans in the bottom.
I lost my spoiler there. That's what was telling me a lot. My spoiler's on the
30 seconds left. Russ is out front with a 10-lap pace, followed by Jeremy Foss, then Tommy, and then Isaac, and then Mr. Making Track.
You don't need to run.
Keep going. Brian's probably in for you, so you win them. Brian, you're done. Well, you were done when you hit the track. Yeah. Russ, Jack. Russ, you're done. Russ takes it with 11 laps. Nice job.
Thank you. I missed.
So we got Jeremy out there and
Kick was on. Okay.
Isaac, you're done. Huh?
Car 1 is done.
So the standings are Russ with the win, followed by Jeremy Foss. Then Isaac got bumped up to 3rd, followed by and then Mr. Making Track.